Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I made for you a lemon blueberry loaf type thing. I put it in a cake pan, so it's like lemon blueberry cake by peanut butter and jelly beans. So I will tag her account in the description box below, as well as the ingredients, a full review, and my information. So you can order your own baked goods on my website or check me out on Instagram for all kinds of recipes and goodies. So, couple things before we get started. For the sweetener, I used half a cup of sugar and half a cup of stevia. This is the stevia I use. It's for baking and it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Typically when you use stevia, it's a lot sweeter, but this is kind of toned down. So with baking, it's just 1-to-1 ratio. So I did half a cup of this and half a cup of regular sugar. I also, in the video, you will not see me add butter to the batter, but I did. I just forgot to put it in the video. So just know that there is a 1/4 cup of melted butter. You can use vegan butter or you can use regular butter. I used vegan, okay. So that is it. And I'm also sitting here on my kitchen floor because I was really tired of standing. What are you gonna do? Okay, well, please be sure to comment below if you have any questions or any recipes you want me to try. Please like the video if you like it, and subscribe if you want to stay up to date on all the videos I post. All right, thank you.